Welcome to the instructions video for the Index of Refraction Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you understand how light bends when it passes from one material into another, using Snell's law to calculate refraction angles and refractive index relationships. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key values. First, input the refractive index of the first medium, such as 1.00 for air. Next, enter the angle of incidence in degrees, which is the angle at which light hits the boundary between materials. Let's use 45 degrees as our example. Then input the refractive index of the second medium, like 1.52 for standard glass. The calculator will apply Snell's law to determine the angle of refraction, showing you exactly how much the light bends as it enters the new material. You can also solve for unknown refractive indices if you know the angles involved. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.